Here I have an old Comfortmaker unit.
Huge.
We have an old unit right here. Old fan motor. Logo. That does not look 70s to me.
I've never seen a
Oh,
logo.
damn. It is faded. I'm gonna have to go get my
70s
black
and
light
have
from
the
the car.
cursive logo.
Yeah, then it's
This can't be 70s.
not original.
I'm gonna go get my black light from the car.
That's the 80s style data sheet. What the hell?
These must be 80s.
Yeah, this ain't no 60s.
It's the 80s style data sheet.
This is an 80s unit.
Hasn't been running.
Looks like the ones that
I'm not.
looks like the ones that go with the
guess it's
apartment
not
complex back home. Doesn't look like it's been running at all.
I mean, the place is closed, so I
They
doubt.
must have just kept this design for commercial
Yeah, it
stuff.
probably has a random years.
Or has it ran in a little.
Interesting.
Or it's just off right now. Strange. They just have
They have the
something
disconnect on, so I'm sure it's still.
Anyways,
Anyways, I
I
think
thought this
that's
was
about it.
60s.
Yeah, I know.
But we figured
There's
we'd
no way
stop
this is
recording
60s.
another quick video this.
Well,
Peace.
hope you guys
Anyways,
all right.
hope you guys enjoyed. Filmed with many people.
Yes.
Over and out.